Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe my channel and click bell icon to get notifications. Please like and comment my video. Hello friends, this video has made based on the newspaper ads. We'll look into the notifications. Required resort restaurant staff, front office, housekeeping, stewards, sales, marketing for wilderness retreat. A well-established resort at Gandipet 98480 44441. Lecturers wanted lecturer in English for Medical College and staff for housekeeping. Contact Principal Sudharani 99123 44179. In charge Principal Saidulu 9030676007. Required Vice Principal Lecturer in Commerce Management Computer Science. English Academic in charge Counselor Computer Operator. Contact Rishi Degree College beside Malabar Gold Jewellery, Himayat Nagar. 9885449729 contact number. Medical wanted part-time pediatrician 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. for Shashi Hospital at Dilsukh Nagar 98480 88596. Wanted duty doctors MBBS, BAMS, BHMS and sisters pediatric and gynec experience. OT assistant, lab technicians, IAS, OT space available for specialist doctor at Kukatpalli. 9912401980. Wanted pediatrician, pathologist and female nurse superintendent at Harsha Hospital, Vivekananda Nagar, Colony, Kukatpalli. Lab technician wanted well versed with a cell counter, semi-auto analyzer, electrolytes, ECG, X-ray. Salary commensurate with experience. 989381742340. Wanted lady gynecs to work in shifts at Dr. Padmaja Fertility at NGRE Metro Station, Habsiguda, Hyderabad. 9848343243244 or walk in 12 to 5 p.m. Wanted resident lady gynecs. Dr. Padmaja Fertility at Bhuvangiri Fresh are seniors, free 2 BHK accommodation plus 24-hour paid maid plus salary 1.5 lakh negotiable. Of yearly hike 10,000. Please call 9848343244. Wanted physicians. DMO EMR physician gynec anesthesia radiology senior MBBS for Kandula Obla Reddy Hospital. 8297 828 384. Wanted lab and X-ray technicians. Dr. Varsha Diagnostics, HMDA Complex, Tarnaka, Chanakyapuri, Safilguda. Wanted casualty medical officers. Durgavai Deshmukh Hospital and Research Center, Vidyanagar, Hyderabad. Wanted duty doctors and X-ray technicians, lab technicians, marketing executives, nurses, physiotherapists, nutritionist, respiratory therapist, anesthesia technician for Shreyas Hospital at AS Rao Nagar. 8639464367. Wanted medical representative for sales with a work experience. 8686911111. Franchise opportunity to start your own lab or collection center. For more information, please contact 99639 33348. Hiring receptionist. Female 10,000 to 20,000. Office staff females. Computer experience 10,000 to 12,000. Telecaller 3 females 10,000 to 12,000. Contact 9477760380. We 9-Star International Supermarket are inviting applications for the post of store manager, store in charge, male or female, qualification, graduation and working experience of at least 3 years in supermarket, preferably in grocery, stationery, kids zone, gifts and novelty sections. 9star2612@gmail.com. 9246503399. Wanted an account with 10 years of experience in construction, real estate company with a knowledge in Tally. MS Office GST for a company in Khairabad. Mail ID saivamcseehyd@gmail.com. Wanted sales managers for resorts, villa sales related experience, 4 years, and receptionist for reputed organization Midani Infra. Attractive salary 9390679247. Wanted experienced and well-versed digital marketers for reputed construction company at East Madpalli. Attractive Narayana TVC@gmail.com 9010236282. Required sales executive for industrial flooring company, preferably from construction, chemical, and construction related. Minimum 2 years experience. Contact 9959112248. Walk-in interview for freshers, experienced female telecallers and team leaders for banking services. Salesman and female business development with a digital e-procurement, telesales for industrial engineering products. Mail your biodata with along with photo 8074765531. Wanted reputed marketing agents to sell apartments near Capra Lake. Narayana TVC@gmail.com. Wanted sales executive for a reputed chemical company located at GD Metla 9000333009. Salesman having experience in food and kirana items, currently working in the same field. Any place for local and district markets. 9515853238. Wanted collection executives 10 DRA and 10 non-DRA having experience in money collections. Walk-in interview in plot number 57, Brookbond Colony, Kakagoda, Secunderabad 7396147235. Wanted sales executives for stone crusher aggregates with experience, own two-wheeler and stay in Hyderabad must. Mohammad Khalid HR@gmail.com. GHR Infra leading realty brand recruiting telecaller. If you have a minimum 2 years experience, good computer knowledge and language skills, send CV to sales@ghr.infra.com. Wanted telecaller female, minimum 1 year experience, computer skills, any graduate knowledge in Telugu, Hindi, English. Salary 10,000 to 15,000. Himayat Nagar 9154161616. A leading real estate developer requires senior engineers, manager, HR and admin manager, customer care, admin manager, IT, civil engineers. Minimum 5 to 10 years experience of relevant experience required. Candidates from building construction background preferred. Walk-ins Monday to Friday 11 to 3 p.m. Modi Builders, 4th floor, Ashoka High-Tech, Chambers, Banjara Hills 04066336633. Requirement for high-end resort and eco concession of hall near Shamirpet, that is convention hall near Shamirpet. South Indian cook, commis, Chinese cook, commis, tandoor cook, commis, kitchen helpers, assistant banquet manager, assistant restaurant manager, stewards, room attendants, electrician cum AC technician, gardeners. Minimum 2 years experience required. rajesh.seatings@gmail.com. 9248001619 is a phone number. Front office receptionist and restaurant staff required for a hotel at Musapet. Contact 990004666500. Accounts and finance. Wanted experienced accountants with a tally knowledge for Premier Automobiles, Vespa and Aprilia showroom and service center at Kachiboli. Contact 9849669988. Wanted female office administrator with the communication skills, proficiency in MS Excel, Word, Internet banking and accounts. Salary shall commensurate with experience. Candidates who reside within 5 km radius from Mehdipatnam and Tavlichoki are preferred. 8179872751. Clerks wanted. Clerks wanted with a computer knowledge apply to Sagar Petroleums Private Limited, Autonagar, near Vanasalipuram. sagarpet@gmail.com mail ID. Wanted experience to help us. Male candidates for ready-made garment shop in Devan Devdi. Address SB Creations near Madina Building. Post Office opposite Hyderabad 9866063672 phone number. Wanted lady assistant, commerce background, basic English and computer skills for a CA firm, Secunderabad 9885526495. Secretariat. Wanted company secretary BCom with a CA who can prepare and maintain financial records and tally computer savvy. Careers at muscati.com 9848015039. Good looking young dynamic girl wanted for personal secretary post to CMD for reputed group or company. Salary not constrained. WhatsApp biodata 630928066. Wanted security guards to work in Twin Cities. GBS Security Services Private Limited, Sai G City Hari Homes Apartment, Old Alwal. Age below 35 years. Good physics. 10th pass. Uniform free after ESI and PF for 9 hours 26 days. Take home 13,000 and for 12 hours 21,900. Walk in with original 7569205604. Steno Science Typist. Stenographer, graduate English medium, expert in communication, computer operation, experience 5 years, age 40 years. 2 field officers. Security agency having 2-wheeler, age 40 years. Apply Indoforce 302 9989555011. Call. For Hazra Public School, Alkapur branch, hazra.school@gmail.com 9347364723. Geetanjali Devakul, Kukatpalli. We need an experienced and qualified English teachers who can teach for classes 6 to 10th CBSE. Experience is must. ggos.kp@gmail.com 9705698155. Wanted well experienced faculty for all subjects to teach KG to PG in offline or online. Twin Cities, India, abroad. Sri Krishnaveni HomeTutors.net 9908574253. Wanted computer teacher with a minimum 2 to 3 years experience, knowledge of HTML, WebRock, Photoshop, Sunflower School. Diamond Point 720701205. High school at Uppal requires Hindi teacher and residential kitchen helper. Applicants may contact 9010777734. Wanted experienced teachers, fluent English, to teach mathematics for higher classes. Contact Principal, St. Little Teresa's High School, Sharadanagar, Safilguda, Malkasgiri 9866114716. Wanted teachers, computer operator, high school and primary, all subjects. 9849546713. Wanted senior AC technicians, engineers required who have excellent knowledge in splits to ductable AC. Salary 7981290255. I need job. I'm a hardworking, educated and trustworthy. Required experience telecallers, sales executives, sales managers in principal in personal loans. 9966334567. Senior experienced telecalling executive come team lead with exposure in real estate marketing, computers, CRM tools. 6304669590. Sales, stores, back office, 3 to 5 years experience of tally, billing, quotations. 80747655531. New Age Infra looking for one marketing to CAD executives with a flair for growth. 2-wheeler must meet clients and architects. WhatsApp 98480902225. Wanted experienced only plant manager, fitters, operation electrician, supervisor in charge for biscuit manufacturing. 8374119323. Wanted experienced male or female sales executives, service boys, telecallers, office boy with two-wheeler must. For reputed herbal marketing company, mail general marketing 45@gmail.com 9494933993. Senior accountant, junior accountant, HR manager 2 to 5 years experience. Civil engineer 3 to 5 years experience. Supervisors, computer operator, reception Kumar 9398442523. TV 11 urgently required experienced news readers, come script writers, voiceover Telugu, Hindi, Urdu, English language, free training for fresher with job. Video editors, system admin, female receptionist, female office in charge, come personal secretary, office boy or lady security guard. SR Nagar 8142322214. Madhapur Villas manager needed with a computer and accounts knowledge, 3 years experience, salary 20,000, contact 9177195120. Required experienced accountant and assistant. MRF collection boys with their own vehicle, salesman for wholesale textile business, Paramount Textile, Subhash Road, 9391000754. Required experienced staff for a reputed pharma company at Idea Uppal, senior accountants, HR and admin officer, distribution manager. Contact 9882703556. Required batching plant operator, electrician and welder for brick factory near Patancheru, 9030777213. Required data entry and accounts assistant with two-wheeler only. Sysplan Associates, Bashir Bagh, Himayat Nagar, 879055445917. Urgently required Tally and MS Excel, accounts faculty and academic counselor for National Level Computer Training Institute at Kukatpalli, 9912410305. Healthcare IT company requires Pharma Journal sales manager, Pharma sales executive with 2 to 3 years experience, residing in Hyderabad. Jobs at evolko.com. Should be able to join immediately. Seeking experienced and qualified operations head for a detergent manufacturing plant. Job location India. Experience must in detergent production process, plant operations and machinery maintenance. For interview appointments, contact 79954833910. Wanted an experienced fashion designer for reputed boutique in Mosaptangs, Shantinagar management. Skills also required. 9963281536. Friends, these are today's jobs. If you are interested, please apply. And if you like the video, please like my video, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.